हरि करना।
Now it's time to deep dive into the step 2, which is data cleaning. So, data cleaning is an essential step in the supervised learning process that focuses on handling various issues present in the data set to ensure data quality and reliability. The primary goal of data cleaning is to prepare the data set for analysis and modeling by addressing missing values, outliers, duplicates, and other data inconsistencies. So let's divide the data cleaning into various sections. So the first section is to handle missing data. Handle missing data. So under handling missing data, we can do data imputation. So under data imputation, we can use techniques such as mean, median, mode imputation, forward or backward fill imputation, regression imputation, k nearest neighbors imputation, or hot deck imputation. These are different imputation techniques that we can do to handle missing data. So if you want to learn and understand data imputation techniques in detail, so I would request you to watch my uh, intuitive descriptive statistics for you course. In that data imputation techniques, I have explained each and every technique with examples. So this is one way of handling missing data. So now let's look into the second way of handling missing data, that is deletion. So deleting the removing rows or columns with the missing values. So that's what we call it as a deleting the missing data, handling the missing data by deletion. Okay. So the second way is outlier detection. So outlier detection, identifying outliers, detecting extreme values that deviate significantly from the majority of the data using techniques like statistical measures, box plots, G scores, so and Mahalanobis distance. These are the few techniques that you can use to detect outliers. And the third one is to dealing with duplicates. Dealing with duplicates. So here, so identification, detecting duplicate records based on one or multiple key attributes in the data set. So and the removal, second one is a removal, removing the duplicate records to ensure data integrity and avoid biased analysis. And the last one is handling inconsistent data. Inconsistent data can be handled using standardization technique, converting data into a consistent format or scale to ensure compatibility. Example, converting units to a common scale, or data transformation techniques, applying a mathematical transformations, example, log transformation to normalize skewed data distributions. So these are the techniques that we can use to handle inconsistent data. So if you want to learn and understand all these techniques, I would request you to watch my intuitive descriptive statistics course. There I have explained and expounded each and every technique in detail with example.